What's up, everybody? Smarty from Holotech. Today I'm going to show you how to use my the charms as pendulums. Once you program it the way I teach you right now, you'll be able to get information straight from source. God, creator, whatever you want to call it. I call it daddy. So here it goes. Here's the pendant here. Doesn't matter which one it is, as long as it's one of these super charms. You just hold it in your hand. You say, I clear you of everything that does not serve the light. I install universal truth. And then you blow your consciousness into it. Once you do that, it's pretty much set and ready to go. Now, here's what I like to do. I like to hold it straight so that it's flat against me. Flat going forward, and you see it. So anyway, what you do is you say, show me yes. Okay, that looks like a circle motion. Thank you. Show me no. Okay, that one's going back and forth. Show me maybe. Left to right. Okay, now we're going to, I'm just going to shake it up, move it around a little bit, and I'm going to redo it to make sure I got the same readings. I like to get it straight. Okay. Show me yes. Circular again. Okay, thank you. Show me no. Back and forth. Or left to right. Now show me maybe. Front and back. You see, it's the same. Okay. Do it one more time. I clear you of anything that does not serve the light. Install universal truth. And then you blow your consciousness into it. Show me yes. Circular. Thank you. Show me no. Back and forth or side to side. Show me maybe. Okay. You just got to keep practicing until you get it like right on, that you hit it right on the nail. That's literally how you program these charms, pendulums. You could do it to your own. It doesn't have to be mine's. That's just the way we do it. That's how we get confirmation. That's how we know, you know, who's lying or not. That's how we know if something is truthful. Now, we also use this to heal, to command, and to just make stuff happen. This is what everybody's using. This is only a tool. This ain't something that's going to be permanent. This is just a tool. Once you continue to use this, you start to gain confidence in yourself, and then you just keep going and keep going and keep going. Don't get discouraged if it's going slowly. You know, if it's going a little bit this way, a little bit that way. The fact that this is a heavy pendant and is moving, it should tell you something. The more you use it, the better you will get. This is one I just programmed, so you know it's not reading as one of my older ones. But the thing is that's how you program it. Now, to heal people or to change things, you would say something like, let's see here. Well, we already got the readings or whatnot. So let's say something like, all right, let's heal somebody. Who do I know that's going through problems right now? Everybody. Okay. Let's see here. Right off the top of my head, there's so many people, it's just hard to choose. Anyway, all right, this is what we'll do. Okay, is the corona disease real? That's saying no. Hello? Okay, can I harness any frequency in the palm of my hand? Okay, can I harness any frequency in the palm of my hand? Yes or no? There it goes. Sometimes you may have to ask twice. It's not a problem. Okay, let's see here. What else? Okay, is the wealth transfer happening now? Yes or no? Circular. There you have it. It's happening. Will they be a shotgun start? Yes or no? Circular again. There's just simple things that you can ask to get confirmation. Just got to keep practicing. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it, and then you'll move away from this and you'll just know. You'll just know things, you know. I don't want anybody to be dependent on these. I want everybody to get where we're at, meaning me and my crew. This is no joke. This is the fastest way to learn. And then in the on my website, you can listen to some of the lessons, this Jedi lessons. It tells you a lot. It tells you a lot. I mean, it even tells you who I am. Whether people believe it or not, it's irrelevant. Don't care. All right, let's see here. Okay. Let's see something here. Okay. Will the portals be opening once I arrive at Destin? It's another circular. That's a yes. Let me explain something to you also. All pendulums, charms, everything's different. Not everybody's going to get swinging for yes this way or swinging for no that way. For instance, my other charm, yes is this way, no is that way, and then maybe it's circular. They're all different. It all depends on what source wants to do. I mean, I can go on and on and on and on and on. If anybody else has any more questions, you can comment below, or you can just join the Holotech chat group on Facebook. Like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I will be posting more and more updates as the events that we've all been waiting for happen. And also we do a lot of work behind the scenes. Not everybody's going to believe some of the stuff that we do, and which is cool, because I have a hard time believing it myself. But the facts remain. We are moving into a new reality. We are going to have a celestial ceremony, and you know, these things will prove to you that everything that I say is real. All right. Like I said, we can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. There has been some upgrades for frequencies that were handed down by source for manifestation. I'll be posting that and requesting people to comment in the Holotech chat group, so we can see where everybody's at, to see what levels you can achieve. You know, we're not the group here that's going to depend on mechanics and machines to heal our bodies and you know, crystalline chambers and stuff like that. We're not going to rely on that. Not this group. Not this group. We're going straight to using source, spirit, dimensional energies, all that. We're not going to rely on hardware, on machines. You know, with source, anything is possible. With daddy, anything is possible. I've done some amazing things, and you know, right now is when I'm starting to realize how I was able to do certain things 2 years back. And it's like, it's a process, it's a journey, it's wild, it's definitely wild. I mean, I'm sure people think I'm crazy because of some of the stuff that I say, some of the visions that I have, and I just tell people like it is. I'm not you know, I'm not going to hold my tongue for anybody. This is real. This is definitely real. We are in charge of this planet, and there is no government, anything going to stop us from doing what needs to be done down here. We are on source directives. That's another word for God's plan, and we're reinforcing it. I want all of you guys to be where I'm at, so that I can go relax and take care of my family. You know, they've suffered through all this time while I'm trying to but while I'm changing the world, my family's suffering. So I'm looking forward to ending their suffering along with others. So it's tough. But anyway, short video. Well, not short anymore, but short video on how to use the pendant, how to program it. I'm gonna say it one more time so that y'all get it. It can be your own pendant. It can be your own charm. I mean, your own anything that got a string and hangs. You can use as a pendulum. And this is how I do it. Once again, I clear you of anything that does not serve the light. I install universal truth, and then you blow your consciousness into it, and then you start asking away. You can ask questions like, start with asking questions that you know the answer to. For instance, I would tell people, ask, all right, how old are you? You would ask a different age, and when you get the results that it's telling you, no, you're not that age, then you ask your real age, and then you should get a yes for your real age, because you're obviously not the age you made up. So that's a good way to test it. Ask questions that you know the answers to, and then ask questions that you don't know the answers to. That'll help you improve your pendulum using skills. It's that simple. Anyway, I gotta go because Source wants me to eat some seafood, and I gotta eat some seafood before I get in trouble. Unlike other people around the world, I do listen to Source, God, Creator, whatever you want to call it, and that's why I'm blessed to be in the position I am. Not to mention I volunteered for this shit. All right, love you guys. Mwah. Peace.